So the first way that we can expand a polynomial, again, a polynomial is basically a quadratic equation, okay? Poly means many, nomial, okay? We have many terms in there. So, for example, ax squared plus bx plus c is a polynomial. These are all polynomials. So, the very first way that we can expand a polynomial is using this thing called FOIL. Let's do an example. Example. Expand the following. Three x plus 4 okay, I need to move him down because I need to label him. 3x plus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Now FOIL, what FOIL does is, first you're going to take the first term multiplied by the first term. So this is called the first. First. So you go, and then you're going to do multiply this term by this term. This is the last. So you go boom, boom. And then you have outer. This is called outer. And then you also have to multiply the inner. And that's FOIL, okay? Let's do it. First, you go 3x times 2x. 3x times 2x, you're going to get 6x squared. First, then you do outer. We have to follow FOIL, so we did the first. Outside is 3x times 1, so you're going to plus 3x. Inner, 4x times this, you're going to get plus 8x. And then last, you're going to go 4x times 1, you're going to plus 4. So that's expanded. So first, you expand, and then you need to simplify. Simplify is you group like terms. These guys are called terms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, we have 4 terms, but these are like terms. Okay? They have the same variable at the end, so you can only add like terms. So my final equation becomes 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. And then that would be your final answer. So that's this one way is using FOIL. Have a try and expand this one. Okay? X plus 2, 2x plus 3. Using FOIL, what do we get there, Billy?
We get 2x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 6.
So I'll show it out here. So we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 4x. Yeah, to show it all out, we don't have to simplify it all in one go. Plus 6. I like to put a box around my same terms that are similar. 2x squared plus 4, 5, 6, 7x plus 6. Boom. So that's using FOIL. Now, there's a other way. Way number 2. Way number 2 is we can use a model. We can use a model to draw this using dimensions. Now, in here, the model is more like a box. Okay? Because when you're multiplying, it's like an area. It's like an area. And we know the area is equal to the length times the width of your box. So we can model the expansion of a polynomial by using this idea. The first thing is we have x plus 2. And so I can give a fixed distance right here, and I'm going to call this x. And then I have plus 2. So this is, I'll just make it a length. This is what x is. X is this length here. And then I have to have 2 here. I'm going to put 2 little boxes right here. 1 and 2. Put dotted line. This is x plus 2, what your variable is. Okay, so x is going to be some sort of distance, and then we plus 2 units. We're going to do the same for our width. Our width is we have 2x. Well, if this is the distance of x, 2x is going to be like this. 1x (2x) and then I have 3 here. That is basically x times x. That distance there is going to be 2x plus 3. This is the dimension. I drew my box a little bit long. We can move this down here. Okay? And now what I can do is draw the actual area. The area is when I multiply these two guys together. So when I multiply these 2 guys together, I'm going to get this area here. I'm going to get a big box here. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to get this area right here. And then I'm going to have x times this one right here. I'm going to get this box right here. I'm going to get all these little boxes right here and here. So it's the same thing. What is the area in this box? Well, I have here 2x times x. So in this box, I'm going to have 2x squared. And that's exactly what we have right here. We have 2x squared. Okay? And then in each of these other boxes, what am I going to have? Well, I have 3 of these. This is going to be x times 3. You're going to have the total area of this box right here is going to be 3x. And then continuing on, I have 2 times this. We're going to get the total area here is going to be 4x. And then the area here is 3 times 2. The total area here is 6. And there we have everything. It's the same as this guy right here, but it's in this form. And then you just add up these 2 terms to find out, because they're actually the same type of dimension, 4x and then 3x, and then you can get 7x. So this is a visual model that's using distances or boxes to represent this. So you should be able to do both ways. If I say solve for a model, you can draw a picture. If you're using FOIL, you just use the math and then you add it together. This one you just leave it as the picture like this. Let's do a practice. Schoolwork. Schoolwork. I want you to have to practice expand, use FOIL, and draw. Okay, I'll give you one right here. Do 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 do. 3x plus 7 x minus 5. I want you guys to have a try and solve this using FOIL and then draw what you have and see what you get. Okay?